Okay, so my screen is visible to you. Okay, fine. So today we are going to discuss about the module 6, that is working with Excel object. All right. So object hierarchy in Excel. Excel is a object oriented, meaning everything is treated as an object with properties and methods. The hierarchy goes like this way: the application, then workbook, then worksheet, then range, then cell. So let me explain this. So we have a Microsoft, okay, Microsoft. So there are so many products like Excel, the Words, the PowerPoint, and MS Access. There is so many things. Fine. So out of that, we have a application like Excel. We are working in a Excel right now. So first thing is a application. Okay. After application, we have a workbook. So all the Excel file. Let's suppose we have an Excel file like this thing, cleaning data underscore VBA, learning VBA macro one. Like these are or whatever the sheets here we call is Excel workbook. Yeah. So these are called Excel workbook. And after Excel workbook, whenever we open any of the workbook, any workbook, we have sheets under the workbook. One, yeah, one sheet, the two sheet, the three sheets, like that. There is so many sheets. After that, we have a range. Range means, let's suppose we have a column like this. We have a rows. Yeah. So range. These are the range. Let's suppose we selected from L1 to L10. So we have a range from L1 to L10. These are called range. Or in this way, from L to S. So after that range, and after range we have a cell. So let's suppose we have a L1 to L10. So from L1 to L10 there is 10 cells, and we have a, if I click on a single cell, it is called a single cell. This is the hierarchy. Application, after that workbook, after that worksheet, then range, then cell. So I hope you understand the hierarchy. Yeah, it's not very tough, it's very easy, but it's very important in your day-to-day work. If you learn this VBA, it's easy to learn, and it's very important. It's a very helpful in your day-to-day work if you're able to learn properly and try to apply in your day-to-day work. So main concept of VBA is it's helpful when any task is repetitive. Yeah, then it will helpful for to you. Okay, now after hierarchy, let me show you some example like application dot workbook, then worksheet, then work range, then cells. Let's suppose I want to write something. I will show you in the next program. But whenever we denote something, we have to write like this. First, give application. That is name of the application. Let's suppose we have a file name of like this. Here, some file name learn underscore VB underscore macro one. So this means this is the application dot workbook, then workbook and name of the workbook. Okay, after that worksheet, name of the worksheet. Then yeah, and then range, whatever the range we are working, just give the range. Then dot value. The range should be either a single cell. It's also possible. Either single cell or a multiple cell. Like this is a single cell. If you want to put multiple cell, just like this, 8, 10. So this is a range. Yeah, yeah. Even you can write, yeah. If you give single cell, that is called cell. If you give multiple cell, it's become range. Yeah. So after that, the value, whatever the value we give, it will go to the this work application, and under this application, it will go to the this workbook. After workbook, this will go to the this worksheet, and under this worksheet, it will go to the range one. Okay, and you will see that whenever the next program will come, you can understand what I'm trying to say. All right. After that, application equal to Excel itself, fine. So it's a Excel. There is so many applications like MS Access, MS Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So Excel is Excel itself, fine. Then name of the Excel file, that is workbook. Then name of the worksheet, that is sheets under the Excel. And then the range, whatever the range, either a single cell or a multiple cell. So this is the hierarchy parts. Let's move. After that, workbook object. So these are the workbooks. One, two, three, four. These are the workbooks. So many workbooks. So let's see. So represent an Excel file. That is called that is called the workbook object. Yes. So let's understand with example. Whenever if you want to use this workbook object, how we can use that? See, workbook dot open, and this is the address of our workbook, and the name of the workbook is sales series. We have this workbooks sales here. It sells here. So the what is the address of this workbook? Address of workbook is like this. The workbook dot I'm going to open. I want to open this workbook automatically. I don't want to click here, double click. I want to open. Okay, so that's why I'm writing here workbook dot open. This is the way we have to write when if you want to open the workbook automatically. Just write workbook dot open. After that, address of the workbook. So this workbook is placed where? It's placed in a the D drive, under the D drive. Yeah, the folder name. After the folder name, um, yeah, after the folder name, the name of the workbook. Same way here, D drive, the folder name, and the name of the workbook. Yeah, after that, this is the name of sales. Sales is the name of the workbook. Here, it's sales. Fine. Now I am going to execute this program, and I will test it whether it will open automatically in VBA or not, because VBA is a automation. We do automation in a VBA. So let's move to our sheet here. So I already created a button, and I give a name of this button is open workbook. So I think you know how to rename this button. Just right click. Yeah, right click and edit. So you can give the name whatever you want to give the name. So I give it open workbook because I am going to open the workbook, this workbook automatically. So let's see the program behind this. This is the program, nothing big, a simple program here. If you write only this program, it will automatically open the sheet. Let's check the program. Go to the assign macro. After that, edit macro. See, same under the sub and end sub, we write workbook dot open. After that, address of the workbook up to here, and then name of the workbook dot xls, because it's a Excel file. That's why dot xls. This is the extension of our file. If it's a CSV file, we have to write like dot CSV. If it's a JSON file, write like dot JSON, like this. So this time we have an XLS file. So I write like this. Now, so you understand, this is the very simple program. Now let me try this. So see here, only one Excel sheet is open here. That is this sheets, only this sheets. But here we have a. I want to open this cell sheet. So let me check. First I'm going to open and show you what are the content under this sheets available. See, we have a sheet one which is like this, having a one button. Then daily sales. These are the daily sales data. After that, sales, same data, and then report. Report is this thing. Fine. So now I'm going to cut this sheet. It's it's closed. Just hold on. Yeah. I don't want to save. Fine. Okay. So now we have only one sheet open, and we have a open dot workbook. That means this program. Only this line under the sub and end sub between this. Okay. Fine. Now just click this button and let's see what happens. See. So this sheet open automatically. Whenever I click on this button, it's automatically open the sheet. So now you understand why we learn about the workbook object. What is the use of this? So it's used to automate our works. Okay, now slowly you can understand what I'm going to teach you. Okay, fine. So let me close this sheet now. Just close this. After that, the second, yeah, that, yeah. Otherwise, its sheet is open. Then what the this program will do? Nothing. Okay. After that, example two. See, workbook sales dot activate. Yeah. So whatever the, let's run this program to activate workbook. Let me check. Try this. Just check the program whether the same program or not different. So same program workbook, that is name of the workbook, and then activate. Here this program will it's open, and here activate. Let me try this. Okay, the sheet is not open here. It's not open. Only single Excel file is open. Now I am going to click on this button and let me take here error, because this sheet is not open. Whenever the, yeah, whenever the sheet open, then it will activate that sheet. We are working on a sheet right now. Here, see, it's a sheet. Name of the that sheet. It will activate that sheet. Yes. So let me. I'm going to open this here. Just click this button. I'm going to go to the folder and double click here. After that, what is the name of the file is? That is sales file. Okay, fine. So sales is here. Now let me. I'm on this page. Fine. Now let me click on this button and see. Okay, okay, this workbook is activated here. See. When I click on this button, see the sales. The name of this workbook is sales. So this sheet is activated. When I click on the activate, because we have a program. Yes, workbook. This is the name of the workbook, and activate. So whenever we click on this button, it will activate it. In first case, it's open the workbook, and second case, it activate the workbook. After that, yeah, yeah, it's already open, and if you want to do anything, it will come later. Why we are doing this activation and opening? It will help you to automate your task. You need not to go and open the sheets, then copy the formulas, copy the data. It automatically, when we click a single click, it will open the file, activate the sheet, and then copy the data, paste into the another file, and then it's close the file. All the things we can automate. So step by step, by using the very small program, I am trying to show you how it's work. Yeah. After this topic, we have a worksheet. The so workbook is complete. Yeah. Now we are going to work on a worksheet now. After workbook, worksheet. So representing a single sheet in a workbook. Example, worksheet after a sheet one dot activate. Okay. See, we have already a sales sheet is open, and we are not in a sheet one is here. After that, daily sales, then report. So let's suppose we are present in a report sheet, that is present at the fourth place. Fine. Now if we run this program, so it will activate the sheet one, which is blank. No, 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 it's not blank, but we have a one switch here. This sheet, this button. So let's suppose we are working in this sheet, and we want to activate this sheet. What we can do that? Simply we have to write like code like this: worksheet, then sheet one, name of the sheet, whatever the name of the sheet, then dot activate. Okay, worksheet, name of the worksheet, and then activate. Here, name of the worksheet is sheet one, not report. We are working in a report, but I want to activate the first sheet, that is sheet one. Sheet one. So name of the sheet is sheet one here. So I am writing here sheet one dot activate, and the same code I have written in this button, activate sheet 2 or 1. I just write is 2. Let me check the code, what code is behind this button. So it's sheet 2. Let me change this because there is no sheet 2, no sheet 2, only sheet 1. So let me change the sheet, otherwise it will show the error. Okay, if I run this code, then what happen? If I run this code, then what happen? Yeah, yeah, it will show error. It will show error, and just check what kind of error it will show. Just run this. Okay. It's activated C2. I am sorry. I am sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. So it's here. We didn't define anything like a which workbook it should be open. It simply activate in the same workbook. In the same workbook, this workbook, it's open the C2 because we didn't give any name of the workbook here. Yeah, we didn't specify workbook name because we have so many workbook. So it's activated the present workbook. Whatever the workbook open, and it's find the C2 in that. Yes, C2 is available in this here. Yes. So whenever we click on this button, it will activate the C2. Just here, it's activated this. So just click on this and activate Excel object. What is okay? See, I am to and fro. I am click on this switch, it will go to this page, and if I click on this page, switch, it will move to the this. Yeah, because I write simply the name of the worksheet is object, Excel object. See this here? Yes, here. Oh, Excel object. That's why I am uh, jumping from this sheet to this sheet by using the button. See, click on this button. I go to the sheet 2. When I click on this, it will go to the Excel object. Fine. After that, let's see. So workbook object is open, then worksheet is over. Now range. Let's what do some work with the range. So representing a cell or a group of cell. If a single cell, it's called cell. If a group of cell, yeah, multiple cell is called the range, and single cell is called the cell. Only cell, single cell. So let's suppose we have a multiple set. First, I'm going to work in a range. So range A1 is to A5 dot value equal to hello. It means whenever I run this code, it will print hello in all this cell from A1 to A5. Let's see how. So we have a button that is every cell here. Just check what are the code behind this switch. Range A11 is to A15 dot value equal to hello. Whatever we give into this double quote, under this double quote, it will print same thing in this range from A11 to A15. Just see. Let me run this code. See, from A11 to B15. Hello, hello, B15. So it's printed hello all under all the cells. Alright. So this is the range. How we can activate the range and how we can print something in a range. If I give only this address, let's suppose I make this here, then what happens? It will print only into the one cell. That's it. So B15, don't disturb it, otherwise fine. So right below in a, all cell from A1 to A5, sorry, A11 to, okay, you can understand, no? B15, yeah, okay. Just make it. Either if you want to A1 to A5, it's your choice. Where you want to print, just choose the cell. Okay, after that, using ind and end with. Okay, used to avoid repeating an object name again and again. Let's suppose we have a object name like this way, very big name, workbook, something like this. So how we can use a small name, because we don't write every time a big name like range, the workbook C like this. So we can replace it by using this, using with and end with. So how we can write it? So with worksheet Excel object dot range A16 dot value equal to report dot font is true and dot font dot color is RBVB and InVid. Here under this range, that is cell A16, we are going to print this word report because here we are choosing with worksheet, and which worksheet? Excel object dot range, which range? The A16. And yeah, yeah. So this word will be printed, and it should be bold. Yes, true. If you false, it will not bold. But here I am writing true, so it will make it bold. And then VV red. If I make it VV green, it will change the color. End with, end with, end with. So just run this code here. Already is there, but let's check the program first whether it's same or not. So it's same, no? With worksheet Excel object dot range A16, then dot value equal to report dot font dot bold is true, because see I am using a very small program so that you can understand all the concept, and you understand how the things are changes, how we can use the, like if you want to make the something bold, we can use like this. If you want to change the color of something, we can use like this. If you want to put a value, we can write like this. That's why I'm choosing a very small program, so you can understand all the concept, and it's very easy to memorize it. So once I run this code here, see what happened. It's report bold and red color. Now I'm going to change the color. Let me, I'm going to make this green, and that's it. Save it, and now let me run this. Yes, yeah, it's become green. So this way automation is working. Now let's move for another concept, object variable. So we can store an object in a variable to reuse it easily. How we can do that? See, dim ws as a worksheet here. So we need not to write every time worksheet because it's a very big word. So we have to define dim ws as a worksheet. So it's understand, we will already understand. If we write ws, then it's understand you want to write worksheet because we are defining here. Got it? Got it? Okay. After that, if you write the program like set ws equal to worksheet sheet 1, it means it will activate the sheet 1. Here we didn't activate, but it will refer to the sheet 1. After that, this means ws means worksheet 1. Okay. So if I write like ws dot range a1 dot value equal to hello, it means it will this word will print in worksheet 1 because we write ws here. Ws means worksheet 1. Again, if you want to write ws range 2 dot value equal to word, it will print in a range 1, and here we are not writing a worksheet because worksheet is a very big word. So we need not write every time worksheet. WS only, just write WS. So we will understand you want to write worksheet. So this is the use of these things, object variable. So we define this variable like this. So just use this code, how we can do this. Just see here, workbook dot variable, and we are giving the address. Which address? Let's go under the program and edit this here. Set ws as a worksheet, and name of the worksheet is Excel object. Now we did not write this much, so big word every time. Just we will write ws, and that's it. So ws dot range f2 dot value equal to hello. It means we are going to write in this sheet, and in which cell? The cell is f2. under dot value equal to hello. So whenever we run this program, hello will be printed in F2, and which seat? This seat because this seat is equal to WS. Again, yeah, WS dot range is F3 dot value and words. So a word, the hello will be printed in F2 and word will be printed in F3. Just run this code. See, F2 and F3. Hello world. Okay. So yeah, yeah. Because so basically, I want to show you how we can use the small name of for using the big words. The words like this. Just use WS everywhere. Whatever the size of the program, it doesn't matter. Just write WS. So our program will understand you want to write these things. Now, yeah. Now let's move for something more. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here I didn't mention in this sheet, but let me show you some real life use of this kind of things. Whatever we discuss in this module, let's see how we can use in a practical life. Fine. So, okay, we discuss all about this, and then we discuss about this. So, real life sales. Okay. So let's suppose I am a sales manager, or you are a sales manager, something like that, and we download a sales file from some software or a database every day, and we want to we have a work like to copy all the data from the sales data and paste into the master sheet every day. So manually, if you don't know VBA, how we can do that? Just go to the software, and after that we download the sales sheet here like this, and then we will open the sales sheet like this. See, after once this sheet open, we copy the data of this like this, copy this. After that, we again open the master sheets, master reports. Yeah, if you don't know the VBA, how we can do this? If you don't know, we can do all the things manually here. First, download the sales sheet, copy the data from sales sheets, and then paste the data into the master sheet like this, and paste here. So again, in the next morning, we have to download the sales report, sorry, sales data. Then again, open the sales sheet, copy the data, and paste in the master sheet, because we have to update the master sheet every day. But if you know VBA, then how we can use it? How we can do this automated? Yeah, and no need to go to the open the sheets. Let's suppose we have a sheet like this. This is a master sheet here. So master sheet is blank, but I give name daily sales here. This is daily sales because we are pasting daily sales here, no, every day. Yeah, so I give the name of the sheet is daily sales. Now just cut this sheet, and even we have a sales sheet like this. We have a every day we pull the reports like this from some database. Now let me close this sheet also. So we know VBA, no? So I created a program. By using this program, this task will automatically perform. How? It will open the sales report first, sales sheet first, then copy the data from the sales sheet, and again it open the master sheet, and then paste all the data from sales sheet into the master sheet. So shall I click this button? So what when we click this button, what task will perform it? Transfer sales data into the master data. Let's click this. Let's click this. See, sales sheet open. Then copy this data, and here daily sales report updated successfully. So just click OK and go to the master sheet and check whether it's updated or not, because we emptied the master sheet, right? See this here, data is coming here. It's master sheet. Yeah, yeah, these two seats are empty, right? Yeah. So let's suppose again, I'm going to close this seat. Let's say save it and close this. Again, in the next morning, another sales report we downloaded, but this time we automate this task. So just simply go and just click on this button. See, copy, paste, and daily sales report updated successfully. Click OK and check whether. Click this. Yeah, yeah, yes, same name. Yeah, no, it will not recognize because the file name should be same, no? Whenever you download, yes. So just check the whether this report is updated in this or not. Here, here, three daily. Yes, actually, just I am trying to show you how automation will work and what is the use of VBA basically. Okay, now this is the one day practical life example. Now again, let me show you another example. Now we have our sales data. We copy all the sales data into the master sheet. That's we automate. Now I want to generate the reports by using this master data. Here, let's suppose we have a master data like this. Okay, and I want to make a report, and under that report I want, let's suppose I want, uh, let's suppose the date. Okay, let me date, and I want product and the sales amount, only this part. Out of this sales report I want the report like this: the date, the product, and the sales amount only. Fine. So I created this button for this, and let me show you. If I click this, report created successfully in report sheet. Fine. Fine. So report sheet I created in a sales sheets already. Just for example, you can create in anywhere. Here, go to the sales sheet. I created this part in a sales sheet itself, but you can create in anywhere. So here, see, report, and I want to, what I want here. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Yeah, only three fields selected. Let me delete all this, the three fields again. Just delete all those things, and now save this file and close it. Right. Next morning, if you want to generate the same again a report and you want to publish into the team, just just click on this button and watch it. Here, report created successfully in a report sheet. Here. Okay, so just open this sheet. No need to do everything, the formatting, the copy the data from that sheet and this sheet. Simply it's generated for you. Just copy and publish into the email. Yeah, yeah. Hold on, hold on. No problem, no problem. I am going to show you how I can do that. So first of all, this part, just assign a micro, edit this. So we already learned the basic part of the VBA, so you can understand easily of this part. See, like this. So here, like this, we are creating this. So set WB sales equal to workbook like this. So this is the address of sales workbook. Again, this is the address of master workbook. So what this is doing, it's opening the sheet. Which sheet? The sales sheet. Again, it's opening the which sheet? The master sheet. And here the sales dot sheet daily sheets copy after, then double. So I actually didn't write this manually. Then how I can write this? Yes, correct, you are right. Absolutely, And because see, if you want to go and write this thing manually, it will take so much time. Yeah, it will take so much time. Why should I waste my time? Just go to, yeah. Now we know all the basics how it's running. We can just simply do some changes like name of the seeds, name of these things, or something whatever you want. You can simply change this and then use it. Use it for your daily work. No need to expand so much time. No need to become a programmer, a big programmer, because we want to use technology and we want to solve our work. Okay, so how we can do that? Just go to the chat GPT. Let me show you one demo. You can understand. Just go to the chat GPT or even Google or YouTube. You can, but chat GPT is much better. So just give any task, whatever the task you want. Let me show you one task. Which kind of task we are trying to perform here? Let me don't save. So let's suppose we have a sheets of like this report, sales. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Here now I want to create another kind of report. Here under this report we copy order ID, product, then sales amount. But in another sales report, I want to create something else. I don't want this table. I want another things. Let's suppose order ID, product, and sales amount. I don't want that. Now I want the regions and sales. Fine. Only two parts. So let's go to the chat GPT here. Okay. Now even you can drag this data. Okay. Copy data like this. Okay. Or like this and paste into the chat GPT here. Fine. No issue. Then yeah, this image will also accept it, but it will convert it into the text. I want VBA code to create a report having only region and sales. Let's see what it will do. Got it. You have a sales sheet with column like this, and you want a VBA code that creates report only region and sales. Let's give a code. So let's check it slowly. Let's check it. Then report. Okay, let's copy this program and just simply paste into it. Then it will automatically show. So I'm going to create a button. Just create a button here and paste this all the codes, new codes. Start from here because sub is already available here. See, sub is already available. In sub is already available. So I'm not going to copy sub. After the sub, I can copy the codes, and I don't want to copy the end code. Just copy this all the things and paste into this between this code here like this. Now save this, fine, and close this. Now yeah, I'm going to run this. So if error will come, we will solve the error. Just run this code. Just run this code, and otherwise shall I save and close first? Save and close. Now run this. Error. Now go to the sheet and just check it here. Workbook cells, change cells to your sheet name. Okay. Okay. no problem. Yeah, this part is this is our part because we have to understand because code is given by the chat GPT. Okay, now we have to change some modification in a code. So this is our part. How we can use this? Yeah. So see, set the data set, assume active sheet with cells. Okay. Okay, fine, no problem. Workbook dot sheet cells says to a sheet name. Okay, cells. Let me open this. No problem. Yeah, and now again run this code. I just open this and close this. This command will stop debugging. Okay, no issue. Again run this code. Now check this. Okay, run time error 9 subscript. It means it's not able to recognize the seed. Yeah, yeah, you can write like this. Just writing here. I didn't get show you anything like this. I am getting error like what is the error? Runtime error 9. Runtime error 9. Run time error 9. Also subscript out of range. Subscript out of range. I know there is a mistake in a name something, so it will the same as here. Workbook.sheet cells. If your sheet's name is not exactly cells, you may be it's sheet 1. Workbook.sheet cells. Okay. See this. And this. It's a daily sales. It's not sales. Here, rename. It means copy this and go to the program, our program. Uh, Here, I'm going to change it. Fine. Now save this. Now try to run this. Again debug. Daily sales is again showing like this, the same thing. Hold on. So actually, I'm trying to say that how we are copy the codes and how we can debug the codes and use for our work. Okay. Workbook.c. Okay. Let's suppose go to this workbook. Fine. Then sales. Which is there. Change sales to your sheet name. After that, yeah. So it's sales. It's here. WS as a worksheet. This one. Even we have a name of a sheet is cells also here. Copy this. I put like this. Delete it. Still showing like this. So after that, no issue. Don't worry. So this is our part. So we have to recognize this and then use it. Yeah, yeah. Give some time. If 5 to 10 minutes. If you will give 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. 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 Now you are getting. So after that, just a step by step check it whether what report this is a report fine. Then this is the reports. Yeah. Otherwise, correct code work. We can even copy this code also. So it will give so many things. We can use it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is the way I want to show you how we can automate our task and generate report series. Yeah, yeah. Series. How I can put this same thing I do in these things. Simply go to the ChatGPT and then edit something from our side and then we can use it. See, same code like this. This is for generator reports here. Or shall I use this code and we can change it. So just let's see. I am going to copy this the entire things here, the old formula or old code, and now go to the new codes where it is here, the button, shine it, edit this. Now change this code to this, paste it. Okay, everything is fine. Now I want to change that range. No, here I don't have product ID, so I want only region. The region is in the C here. Okay, so let me delete this part. I don't want this. I want this is C1 dot value, that is just sales amount where it is. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Control B. Actually, this is pasting into the report. This part. So I don't want to paste this part. Otherwise, it's fine. Let me change this thing only. This is okay. Let me delete this. Okay, and A1 region only. No? Just hold on. Don't worry. Proceed and region, health, sense amount, and make this B1. After that, range is copy. Okay, I don't want copy A2. I want to copy from C2. And use C2. And after that, F, F, and change this thing. Not order ID. Okay, it's commented. No problem. I'm going to comment this part or delete it. Simply delete this. No issue. Fine. After that, yeah, it's a commented. No, here it's commented. It doesn't commented. It doesn't. Yeah, I am using a shortcut. I didn't change all the things. So okay, fine, fine. Okay, just trying to do this, and after this, copying not A2, it's C2 and F2. I don't want this. Something from A2 to A. We have to change this thing also. Just hold on. I have another idea. Go to this program and here copy this and give it to the chat GPT and tell him to I want these things. It will make the things like okay, fine, and then tell him I want the code having only region and sales amount, no sales amount. Yeah, perfect. Thank you for sending the code here. Copy this, copy this way and go to the switch, our switch, this switch, delete the old one, paste the new code. Fine. I'll shape this and run this. Okay. And now let me close this first. Otherwise, okay. And delete the data, this data. Now run this code. Perfect. Report grade is successfully report. See, region in the cells. Now you understand how we can automate, how we can use, how we can help from the GPT and data report something. So we can do so many things. It's depend upon us. So you understand how I'm thinking in different way. If I fail in the first attempt, I try from the another way. I failed in the second way. I tried in the third way. The third way is successful. So this way we can automate our task. Just simply use the technology. No need to go for the manual programming. And just simply so this is. If you want to write manually, it's also possible. But just you need to practice the entire basic. Yeah. So all the basic knowledge we have already gained this basic knowledge. How what are the codes trying to say? What are the things is here? So we can understand the entire codes and simply use it. Even manual, if we can write manual program also, but it will take lots of time. So this is the part of today's model 6. Hope you enjoy this session and learn so many things. Okay. Now, how do you think? Are you feeling confident in VBA? Yeah, no problem. Just. Now you are so flexible to use this VBA. If you don't see my notes, simply go to the VBA chat GPT. You can do so many things. Okay. Now I will share these sheets as well as the this video also. Just revise it and try to apply in your daily work. You become master in a VBA. Thank you very much. Bye. 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 See you.